Yo chat, what is good? Alright, well, this is gonna be the start of vlog number I don't even know, vlog number 7 or 8. But I'm going fishing right now by myself. I'm back to speaking with no mic because the mic cable is cooked and I need to order a new mic cable, and I will soon. So yeah, we're gonna have to, I don't have any pliers, so we're gonna have to force like the fish out of the hook out of the fish's mouth. But yeah, let's get to the spot. Let's do it. Do all the YouTube stuff. Let's get into vlog number 8, I want to say, but I'll probably correct myself if it's not. Alright chat, y'all can't see much and I'm probably not gonna take you just because it's dark as hell, but this is the spot. It's like a house that got destroyed by the hurricane, I think. So yeah, let's go see if we can catch some fish. I came back because I generally caught absolutely 0 fish. That's a lie. I caught 1, a catfish, and I killed it because I couldn't get the hook out. That has been on the TV for 3 days, but 27th of March, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. We out. Chat, what is up? It's the next day. We are at Jaden's and I have just finished editing vlog number 7. See, I told y'all, vlog number 7. So this is vlog number 8. Yeah, it's on 0%. Guys, there was an event, right? There was an event. It is called, I'm just checking my insights because my Instagram is dead. But the event was Fuel Fest. I didn't even know it was happening. But the ticket is $35. And low-key, yeah, I do not got that right now. Because it's all the way in Tampa, so I would have to pay for fuel and for the ticket. And yeah, low-key, yeah, we're gonna have to miss it. So could have filmed content here, but yeah, missing that. But yeah, so right now, at least we finished vlog number 6. Low-key, I'm probably just gonna head back to the apartment, write down some goals, and then probably head to the beach or something. Yeah, we're just gonna see. We're gonna see, because I'm also planning to film an Ultra B video later on. So yeah, just again, y'all know the vibes. Keep y'all posted, making sure to record. That's what we doing. Lucy is in her crate right now. I don't know if I should close the hello. Yeah. Oh, that was a big yawn. Yeah. Okay, I need the toilet right now, so I'm gonna see y'all in a bit.
Let's go for the vlog.
Jackson, say hello to YouTube. Any words for the youth?
Words for the youth. Spartan can come with me to the track sometime soon.
Yeah, I actually do have to. But I'm gonna have to leave my computer here so I can export. And then we're about to go film a video on Lucas's Ultra B. And then
I'm not gonna mess with your computer.
Well, you better not, because then I'm gonna lose my video.
But I'm gonna be in the next one, so.
Well, yeah, but I don't want to lose my video, so I'm going to record a video on Ultra B right now. That's why I'm going.
Who's Lucas's?
Yep.
Why?
What is Lucy doing, bro?
Yo, white chocolate.
Okay. Yo, dog. Why? What are you doing, bro?
Am I wrong though? Hey, comment section, let me know if I'm wrong.
Comment section, let him know if he's wrong.
From the movie Mufasa. Oh yeah.
Yeah, from the movie Mufasa.
That's
mean, Jagger right there. Holy bright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, we're gonna head back to the crib. Hopefully the GoPro charged. And then we're gonna be outside on the Ultra B. Yes, sir. Chap. Oh, flip. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chap. It literally stinks of fish in the car because of the catfish glove, I'm pretty sure. But I don't know, it just stinks of fish. How the flip do I get this smell out, bro? And why is the camera so zoomed in? Oh, it's not. It's just my lens. Chat, it's literally like 7:45. Yeah. I came back. Literally had a nap. Was waiting for the guy with the Ultra B, and then he comes and then he just leaves. So no Ultra B video filmed. So yeah. I mean, I don't know. I literally woke up, got ready, and then he just left. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, bro. People are odd. So yeah. Right now I'm gonna go back to Jaden's and sort out that stuff. So yeah. Oh, that's the curb. Chat, what is good? I don't even know what day it is, but I'm at the beach right now on my days. There's so many love bugs here right now. I just set up right here. Got a little chair. Hit TP, and now you just come to the beach. What a flipping, like, what a day. These past 2 days have been low-key productive, so we're just gonna write, like, haven't wrote any goals and stuff for this week. Last week, low-key didn't reach the goals. Sorry. Bro, there's so, what the flip are these black bugs, bro?
Hurry up, we're being swarmed by black bugs. Come on.
Right. Nigga bugs, bro. Dumbass nigga bugs, bro.
You wouldn't believe there were bugs on this ship.
We just set up right here because there was no one here. There was all my days, bro. I'm gonna watch him fish. He's using pompano and he's got ladyfish too, so yeah. All these tourists down here too. It's actually insane. But yeah, all my days. We need 2 more green days until I can get a payout on the 100K account. Yeah, brought it back from drawdown. I was $400 in drawdown. Now I'm $300 in profit. So yeah, not too bad. But I'm gonna catch y'all whenever I catch y'all again. All right, chat. As we know, I love fishing all my days. So I literally just got caught up. I was literally fishing with that guy for like 2 hours. His name is Bill. But right now, we're gonna get in the water. So I'm gonna set you up. Hopefully, yeah, that is not good at all. How do I even do this, bro? Cause we can go, dun, dun.
Too much. Got one keeper, that's it.
We had a lot of whiting.
I didn't see any.
We caught a bunch.
Did you catch a bunch?
Yeah.
What were you using?
Pompano jig. So we had, I don't know what.
Pompano jig. You know what that is, Dave?
Pompano?
We were trying to catch pompano.
Pompano jigs,
Yeah.
little metal flat, and just boom, 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 bounce it
That's
off.
what we were trying.
Yeah.
I was with somebody else, and then I just started speaking to him, and then he let me use his pole. So there was a lot of whiting, and he caught a big lizardfish. So that was about it.
Yeah.
Bunch of whiting.
Yeah, I was gonna say that jig. That's what they said. The article it's slow, and you let it hit, and then count to about 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you get to 15, he said you jig it a little bit. Let it sit again. Count to it because they said they're so slow when it bites.
Yeah.
And it gives that little bit of move of a crab, and they hit it.
Huh.
Cool. I got one with me. I just didn't have time to put it on to try it. We were wanting something else. Have a good day.
One. You too.
I don't want to get my camera wet. Hopefully that looks good, but oh well. Florida, everybody hella nice. I'm gonna move my chair in the sun, cause Loki gotta dry. And we can go up, and we can go. Whoa. What is cooking with y'all boys and girls? It's been a couple days since I picked up the camera, but I think I'm gonna end vlog number 8 right there. So yeah, do all the YouTube stuff. I'm literally gonna start vlog number 9 straight away. Do all the YouTube stuff, and I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh, I hope I didn't end the recording. and I will catch you guys in 2 seconds because we're gonna do vlog number 9 right now. We're going to a motocross race. So yeah, let's do it. We out.